Hi friends, today we will see how to convert any shape into sketch in PowerPoint. It's very easy and this only works in three versions of PowerPoint: PowerPoint 365, PowerPoint 2019 and PowerPoint 2021. These are the three new versions which have this kind of effect. Let's see, it's very easy. Only few things you have to do. First, what you have to do, go to insert menu over here, right? Let me zoom. Go to the insert menu in PowerPoint, select icon, select any desired icon of your choice. Say for this one, maybe this, and also let's go for this one, insert. So now we have a few icons with us. Separate it, make it bigger so we can see the effect very easily and clearly. Fine. Okay, so right now we have 4 icons, or you can also take any shape, but right now we are working on icons. Fine. Now what to do? First select any icons, right click on it and click on convert to shape. Do for each icons. Click on convert to shape. Again select any icon, right click on it and go and select convert to shape. Again for this, click on convert to shape. Now my icons are in shape format. Again select any one of the icon. Okay, over here you will see a shape format. Go there. In the shape format you have 3 options: shape fill, shape outline and shape effect. Click on shape outline, and here in shape outline you will have option sketch line. Select any one of these sketch line as per your requirement and need. Okay, say for example for this I am selecting this first. For this, now I have to make it whole selection. Again go to the shape outline, go to the sketch, and say for example I am going for this. Okay, for this go to the shape format, select outline, sketch, again go to the select sketch, voila. So if you see the effect in a bigger, you can see. Even also you can directly go for the shape also. So for the shape you do not have to convert anything because it is already in the shape format. Go to the insert menu, select shape. Say for example this is my shape. Okay, okay, here I am going for no fill, and go to the shape outline, select sketch, then also you can increase the weight. So this is how simply you can convert any shape, any geographical shape, anything into a sketch line or a sketch shape. Thank you.